What's going on, boys, and welcome back to the channel. We are back at it again with another video. My name is Steven. Welcome to this crazy ass garage, and we will be working on the SW20 2GR, soon to be turbocharged, and I can't wait. I'm excited, ecstatic. You know me, guys. I say May is the plan to send it out to TCS Motorsports, but man, you know me, I'm crazy. So next thing you know, I just call Ty, yo, Ty, I'm sending you the car. Of course, gotta wait my spot. So you never know, man. You never know. I'm always, changing my mind. So, boys, we just trying to get this car ready. Do the little things, guys. Do the little things just because I want this car to be as perfect as it could be. And we're just going all out, guys. We're just going all out. Anyways, I'm going to turn the camera around, show you what I'm working with, what I got going on, and go from there. You already know. Jolly. All right, boys. So we got the Max Jack. Long time that I haven't lifted up this car. And, of course, guys, car sitting, things get loose, things get broken. I already see a few things that I got to fix. I'm like, how? I'm not even driving this car. I don't know what happened here, but this thing is kind of loose. I don't know. Maybe I got to tighten it or something. That's loose. This broke off. This tie broke off. I half-assed it with a zip tie, and it just completely took the whole entire tab from the bumper itself. So I don't know what's going on with this. This got loose. I don't know how. As you guys can see, it's super loose. It's extremely loose. So we got to fix that. But in today's project, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing all the overspray on my BC coils. I don't know if you can tell, but that is all overspray. All this is overspray. We got to respray this, respray that. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks kind of like whitish. We have to paint the rotors. These are brand new rotors. Boys, not even 100 miles, guys. It's just, if you don't drive these cars, then of course this is expected. So, brand new car, brand new paint job. Not brand new car, but freshly new paint job on the car. And then you got white wheels, and then you just got this rust just standing out. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. We already started cleaning here. Already cleaned here, so I'm just waiting for it to dry. Yeah, boys. I didn't show this last time, but this is how the bottom of the car looks. I did pretty much resprayed everything. It looks pretty good, pretty damn good, if you tell me. Now, from what I see, when they install the turbo, it goes right here in the middle, and they remove the heat shield, that trunk heat shield, or whatever you want to call that. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that and just paint underneath, because I've painted everything here. Everything is all black and all nice, but underneath here it's still the stock color. Also, we're gonna go ahead and try to kind of paint all these bars and whatnot. Most likely send them out to get Cerakoted, and go from there, boys. Go from there. But it's just looking pretty good. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good for a 93. Anyways, guys, let's get to work. Let's get to cleaning, and I can't wait. So this is how it looks. It's how it looks. And we're gonna turn on the meta glasses and we're gonna record, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You already know que lo que. Enjoy the time lapse. Dale.
Cover them up so you don't see beyond the mask. My world's a dark
is done. We are done. We did this side and that side. Later on today, it is 6 o'clock in the morning. We'll do the other two sides. I also went ahead and I kind of painted a little bit when it comes to the suspension. I also resprayed a few areas with the undercoating, so it's looking much better. This is how it looks, as you guys can see, and compare from when I first started. This is how the rear looks, much better. Of course, I didn't get everything, but boys, this is just temporarily. We will be going with a big brake kit. I'm not sure when. I'm thinking maybe once we are done with the turbo kit and I get the car back, that's when we'll go ahead with the big brake kit and whatnot. But I am mostly happy I did this just because of the tire, guys. I had no idea the condition of that tire, and next thing you know, I'm doing a pull, which you know everybody does, and I crashed the car. So I'm just glad I found that out. So we will be getting new tires soon. I'm not sure when, because again, this car, I barely drive it. So, but new tires coming soon. We're gonna be getting 4 new tires. So 2 for the front ones, 2 for the back ones, all for the Zegan wheels and whatnot, guys. Now, when I was cleaning and I was doing the painting, I did it with the meta glasses. So this video is gonna be kind of like iffy, but it is what it is, guys. I'm just trying it out, see how it looks. So hope you guys enjoy, and that's what I got, boys. But that's what I got. This is just a quick video, me working on the car. I will be doing more stuff. I got a little things here, there, so that's all I got. On another note, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I will be dropping this video today just because, you know, let's just put content. I need to get the motivation. So we'll be putting this one out. And then, yeah, we still got to lift up the car again. Do a lot of painting underneath. I got to paint underneath the trunk shield or the heat shield under the trunk. I got to polish the exhaust. I got to install the window cowl, the window, whatever, the washer things, whatever. And yeah, I got to get motivated, guys. I got a few days off, so yeah, let's get it. Dale. All right, boys. I know I closed out the video, but now we just finished it. So we installed the window cowl, we installed the nozzles, and for those that don't know, I got these nozzles. They are from a Volvo. I think it was like $10 from Amazon. This is the code, and they fit perfectly for the MR2. But yeah, boys, this is done. Other side is done. I'm sorry for the mess. This side is done as well. I had to cover the engine because I was painting. This side is done. Pretty much everything is done. I did paint underneath, and also finish removing all the overspray from the car, especially the BC coils. But boys, this is it, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The car is looking amazing. I'm not sure the next step. I'm thinking I want to finish the interior, and I ordered some new decals already, and I think the car is done, boys. I'm missing this piece from the other side, the rear spats alongside the Poons add-on that is currently with the painter. I'm missing my wipers and the molding for the windshield, and new tires, of course. So we're gonna go ahead and I'll probably go today to get new tires, just the front ones, and that's it, guys. Now